In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for event RSVP tracking and management. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a ready-made event workspace, collect registrations, and keep track of all the moving pieces of your event in one place. First, open Monday.com and head to your main home area. Make sure you're logged into the correct account or workspace where you want your event board to live. From the home screen, look for the option that lets you create a new board or start a new workflow. We're going to use one of Monday's built-in templates, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Click the option to start with a template. This opens the Template Center, where you can browse all available templates. Use the search bar at the top and type in something related to events or RSVP management to quickly find the event planning template you're looking for. When you see the event-focused template that matches what you need, click on it to open the details, then select Use Template. Monday will automatically create all the connected boards and views for you. Once the template has been added to your workspace, open the main board called Registration Form. This is where your RSVP data will live. From here, you'll see different views along the top that help you manage your event from multiple angles. Start with the Timeline view. This lets you see important event dates, deadlines, and tasks laid out visually. It's helpful for understanding what needs to happen before, during, and after the event. Next, switch to the Form Response Viewer. This view focuses on the answers guests submit through your registration form. You can quickly scan who's attending, who declined, and any extra details they provided, like dietary needs or session choices. Move over to the Registrants Info view to see a more detailed list of attendees and their key information. This is especially useful for exporting data, checking counts, or sharing guest lists with your team. Then, open the Event Planning Checklist. This board breaks your event down into actionable tasks so you can assign owners, set due dates, and track progress. You'll also see a section called Event Planning in a document-style format. Use this area for notes, run-of-show details, talking points, or vendor information. Finally, open the Kanban view to see tasks organized by status, then switch to My Tasks to focus on what's assigned specifically to you. And to wrap it all together, use the Event Dashboard view to get a high-level summary of everything: RSVPs, progress, and timelines, all in one place.